Okay, so part 6, we're going to draw. It has constant cross section from the front, so we'll sketch from the front and draw this shape. We'll draw half of it and then mirror it, because we don't want to be drawing the same shapes twice. So that's our rough shape. We know that this dimension here at the bottom is 46 total, so this is going to be 23. We know that there to there is 50. The overall height is 50. This height is 25. And this width is 15, 30 total there. The only thing we've not worked out here is that this is 30. And that this is 20. Now everything's black, so it's fully constrained. We can mirror. Actually, there's no reason why we can't make that a part and mirror it later as a full part. So let's sketch that, extrude it. The full width is 50 and it's symmetrical. Now we can put the feature in here where we scallop a bit out. So sketch on this top plane. It's going to be center constrained, so we use a center rectangle. Draw the rough shape. And dimension wise, this is 5 millimeters from this. The total width of this part is 25, and we know that it's got to be longer than the part itself, so I'll set that to something like 50 to make sure it clears it. Then we can extrude this whole thing down by 25, and that's done. So now we can mirror the whole part next to each other. So mirror, it is a part mirror because it's going to be the same. This part and the mirror plane is here. There it is. And it's merged them together as one part. So now anything we do to any of those, it's going to mirror it to both sides. Last step is to draw the boss on top. The boss is 40. Extrude that up by 25 mil, which it is, and then sketch on top of that another hole, 20, extrude that, remove through all, and that's the part complete.